kitchen bright and small. Chef Gabriel can do it all. With a smile and a fruity rush, he makes sweet must with a mighty crush. Hey! Morning light on the window glass, apples, grapes and plums in a basket pass. Apron on and sleeves rolled high, he's got a sparkle in his eye. Tiny kitchen, happy beat, dancing shoes on busy feet. Every fruit is fresh and good, magic starts in the neighborhood. Turn the handle strong and slow, watch the lovely juices flow. Homemade flavor, rich and true, made with heart in all he'll do. Chop and wash, then load the press. Simple work but done the best. Round and round the handle sings like a band with shining wings. Trumpets laugh and the tuba sways, snare drum kicks through the busy day. From the grapes a ruby stream, from the apples a country dream. Turn the handle strong and slow, watch the lovely juices flow. Homemade flavor, rich and true, made with heart in all he'll do. Hey! Gabriel, Gabriel, hear the fanfare play. Turning fruit to joy today, in his home he finds a way to make sweet must the old school way. Gabriel, Gabriel, let the trumpet shine. Every sip is so divine, little kitchen big heart loud. Chef Gabriel makes his family proud.
Wow, fantastic, very
Gabriel's joy.